Get ready with me to work and chill with Oli the Campervan. Today is the day of our headshot pictorial. Ang hirap mag-adjust ng focus niya. Nandito kami ngayon sa beach. Update sa ating channel. It only has 40 views. So pretty. So yung goal natin is pasta or pizza. And found the place, guys. Right? Let's get inside. What's up? Welcome back. Update sa ating channel. Nag-upload ako ng video 1 month ago. It only has 40 views. Ito 2 days ago pa lang 814. I'm happy so far kasi if i-compare mo siya sa last vlog ko, ang layo ng diferensya, guys. Get ready with me as I prepare to work and chill later at the beach with Oli the Campervan. So, I'll start with vitamin C serum. Malinis na yung face natin, guys. Snail white, brightening day, and SPF 30. Pero after this, maglalagay pa rin ako ng sunscreen. Ayan, paubos na tong 2-way cake foundation na to.
Drowning out our sorrows, holy water, lost at sea. Stacking all this guala, I might cop a subway. Wake up every morning, all I ever do is drink. Top floor, flowers, you like hot and sweet. Try to shit my, I said, you gon' pull up, listen.
Bagal yung pag-drive ko, guys, ano to? The Black Sands. Halos papunta na akong Kulasi ngayon. Saan kaya pwede? Kasi sobrang init, guys! Oh my God! Sa beach na tayo. Anong oras na ba? It's 4:47. Nakakita tayo ng parking area dito. Maluwag pa. Ayan. Okay lang na mainit kasi mahangin naman. I got a plan for what we wanna do. You wanna leave with me, I wanna be with you. Come on, let's go. No more limbo. Ayan, sunflower from 7-Eleven. Guys, hindi ko lang na video pero may batang lumapit sa akin dito nang hingi ng coins. Tapos nang binigyan ko, may lumapit pang isang bata ulit sa kanya. Tapos binigyan niya yung 10 peso coin na nabigay ko din sa kanya. Akala ko bibili siya ng pagkain kaya siya nang hingi kasi akala ko nagugutom siya. You know what, guys? May utang daw pala siya doon sa kasamahan niya. Eh di wow! So pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Kahit na pasado alas 5 na look, nag-harvest pa rin. May classmate tayo sa likod. And shout out sa may-ari ng Suzuki minivan na yan. Ayan, parehong-pareho yung design. And yung color. Hala!
Another lazy afternoon.
Welcome to the golden hour.
Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day.
Sunset is almost over. And time check, it's already 5:54. And antayin lang natin yung sunset na matapos. Siguro mga ano na lang to, 5 to 10 minutes. Ang bilis niya. Ang bilis niyang magtago. 1/4 na lang siya. So pretty. Kitaan dun siya sa likod. Wala na. Ay, meron pa. Konti na lang. 4, 3,
naturally would see magic
No
in
more.
the world around me.
There you go. Grabe. Yun guys, binuksan ko na rin pala yung mga fairy lights dito at yung ilaw sa ceiling natin dahil nagligpit ako. Ayan, eto na yung sitwasyon sa loob ng campervan. So, let's go. Alis na tayo. Ayan guys, paalis na tayo dito sa spot na tambayan natin. Hanap tayo ng pasta. Nakakita ko ng parking area. I would like to look for a place where I can dine. Basta yung goal natin is pasta or pizza. And found the place guys. And tinignan ko yung menu nila. They have pasta. So it's coffee and chills, Jacque's restaurant. Ayan. Alright, let's get inside. Ma'am, isa ka creamy garlic pasta, ma'am. Tapos, sa drinks nyo, shake na fruit gid saya, fresh.
Mango and banana.
Sige, mango na lang. Okay, sige, ma'am.
So guys, ayun na pala yung food na in-order natin. That's creamy garlic pasta and mango shake.
Guys, kanina nung tinikman ko siya, doon ko lang na-realize na hindi ko pala na-request na i-less yung sugar nitong mango shake na in-order natin. But as for the pasta, ayan, ito yung serving niya for 220 pesos. This is good for one, pero for me, pwede na tong i-share sa aking partner. And I did a taste test of this earlier. Actually, I love the flavor kasi mahilig ako sa garlic. And let's have a big bite. It's more on the creamy side. Kasi nga creamy garlic pasta nga, ano. One more big bite. One more. So nice. Today is the day of our headshot pictorial. And earlier, pinlansya ko na yung damit na susuotin ko for this activity. And at the same time, I already prepped my everyday makeup look. And behind me is my camera tripod, and our mirrorless camera na gagamitin natin para sa ating headshot pictorial. Share ko na lang later yung magiging result ng ating pictorial. Sana mas maganda or mas maayos naman. I'll just remove that part of the decoration in this room para naman all white yung magiging background natin sa ating pictorial. Okay, let's go. So, ayan na guys. Wala na yung mga hanging shelves on that side. Dito ko na sila linipat. Yung laman ng mga shelves natin. And then yung hanging shelves. Andito. Okay, bihis na tayo for the pictorial. Okay, like 5 seconds akong hindi gumalaw and pakita ko sa inyo yung result ng shot natin. Ginabi na po tayo guys at hindi pa tayo natatapos. Ayan, nagka-problema kasi sa camera ko. Like, I'm using two camera lens. Ito sana yung mas maganda kasi medyo zoom in yung kuha nito. Mas close up, mas maganda. Kaso nga lang, nag-e-error. Now, I'm using my kit lens. This is my kit lens. Problem ko naman with this kit lens is that blurry yung kuha niya. Sige, kuha pa ako ng a few more shots. Medyo okay siya, pero hindi naman nakuha yung katawan ko sa buong frame. It's hard. Guys, yung mga photography enthusiasts dyan, baka naman may masuggest kayo. Bakit ganon? Ang hirap mag-adjust ng focus niya. Buron. It's really blurred. Ayan, para mas ma-appreciate niya guys kung gaano siya ka-blurry. Like, oh my goodness. Hey guys, we are back using only the Campervan as our service vehicle for today. And right now, nandito ako sa isang mall because I'm gonna go to DIY store to buy something that I can replace with my cell phone holder dito sa dashboard ng ating Campervan. And that is our cell phone holder. It needs replacement.
Say you're never gonna be alone with me.
Hey guys, welcome back sa ating home office slash mini studio. Unbox tayo ng parcel from Shopee at the same time yung pinamili po natin ng mga items kay DIY store. Okay, so nilipat natin yung microphone dito. Sound check, mic test, start with our parcel. So, I got it kay Shopee. Okay, to be specific, binili natin itong items na to kay Lobito. White blouse that we can use. Ayan, sa beach. Let me see. Ayan, and by the way, the size of this one is, I believe, is small. Ayan, kinuha ko yung small kasi according to the reviews, medyo malaki yung sizing ni Lobito. And I guess it still looks big. Ayan, mamaya sukat natin itong item na to. Ayan, ang cute niya lang. This is also another blouse. Nakakala ko pwede siyang pang formal. Sa workplace, see-through siya. Ayan, nakikita yung loob. So, expectation versus reality. But, yes, the cloth is nice naman. Cute naman siya. Tingnan natin kaya yung fit sa atin. Let's open our DIY items. So, I bought 1, 2, 3, 4 items from DIY. So, ito yung una. It is a kitchen towel. Ayan. Kasi wala na akong kitchen towel. Multipurpose, super glue. So, ito talaga yung pinunta natin sa Mr. DIY store. Suporte para telepono. Ito na nga po pala yung pinaka-cellphone holder. Wait lang. Ayun. To close it, you just have to click it. Ayan. Ganun lang siya. Ito naman yung kanyang. Ito naman yung kanyang body. Ayan, with the suction part. Alright. Mukha namang sturdy yung grip niya. Ayan, sana hindi siya madaling masira. Last but not the least, ito yung pinaka gustong gusto ko sa lahat ng nabili ko. Even though hindi talaga ito yung pinunta natin sa DIY store. Pero, I found this one. Okay, what I like about it is the cloth. Ayan, ano siya, matibay siya. Like my everyday bag. It's not too big, not too small. It can fit our cameras, our selfie sticks. Alright guys, so this is our first blouse from Lovito. Next fit tayo. Ayan, malaki pala talaga yung sizing ni Lovito. Cute niya pa naman sana, but then, it's a no-no for me. Ayan, it's just sa malayo. Ayan po. Sayang. Say hi to the vlog.
Hello!
Hello! Hello vlog! So, andito kami ngayon sa beach. Ayan. R&R ang peg. Rest and recreation with my friends and co-workers. Kasi yung microphone natin is naiwan, kaya pasensya na if you can hear some noise in the background. Ayan. Ang ganda dito. It's currently high tide. And ang sexy ng kasama ko. Cute ng outfit. Yung ano namin, OOTD namin is anything that's floral, any color. Ayan, so ganyan lang yung atake ng floral. Mine is floral, pero maliliit. So sa kanya is dahon, dahon-dahon. Aloha or ano, boho at times. Yun. Ba't aloha yung sinabi ko? And our cottage is right there. Yun yung pinaka dulo na cottage na malapit sa pader. So, pahangin lang kami dito. Ang sarap ng hangin. Masilaw nga lang.
This song makes my head hurt. It's no more whatever. Change up the tone. I deserve to feel much better. For weeks and weeks I face bad weather. It must be really up
Picture
to me.
taking.